Hi, I'm Dan Fernback. I'm on the 2025 Sailfish 316 dual console, one of my absolute favorite models from Sailfish. Let me tell you exactly why. Combine the fishing and the family all in the cockpit and everywhere in the boat. You can see how large the cockpit is, which pens in the kids, is safe, very, very high freeboard. Seats on every single side, being able to have jump seats that pull out, aft-facing seats, everything. So as we walk forward from this oversized cockpit, we have a great other features. So aft-facing seat, forward-facing seat, which is oversized, another very nice captain's chair, and you got twin Garmin's joystick, and you have a very nice galley setup for preparation station. One of the best features that we have on this 316 draws everyone to it. As you can see, the sides are extra large, which keep you nice and dry in all the elements, and everyone's worried about going out and having weather changes. A nice, very nice feature is being able to slide this right over and have that lock in there. Very impressive. We've now moved forward on the 316 dual console. We have a very impressive bow. Super spacious. As you can see, I'm lounged out here and I'm inside the cockpit because you're not always coming back in the best of weather and conditions always change, but to have the feel of safety is very, very important. And we have that here on the 316. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video on the Sailfish 316 dual console. For more information, reach out to Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. You can reach us at sales@sandyhookyachts.com. Look forward to speaking with you soon.